Racing just is started. We have Palasig. Break quickly restart. Green Street is running by the rail, moving up on the outside. Beautiful miss. Then followed over by Lifeline. Next on line, Winking Eye. The real thing. Have a nice day. Then comes Leopardo while Viva Maria is the early trailer and going along for the first turn. We have Green Street by about 4 lengths. Winking Eye in second. Moving up now on the outside is Beautiful Miss. Parasig then followed over by Lifeline. Moving up now on the outside. The real thing. Have a nice day, Leopardo, while Viva Maria is still racing and less back to the leader. We have Green Street by about 2 lengths, and in second now is Beautiful Miss. Winking Eye, Palasig, now coming closer in fourth. Have a nice day, moving up on the outside, the real thing. Then next on line now is Lifeline, Leopardo and Viva Maria is still trailing the group, and they are now entering the home stretch. Winking Eye, Green Street, Palasig now moving up down on the inside. Beautiful Miss is on the outside with about 150 meters more to run. We have Winking Eye this time by about 4 lengths over Green Street in second. And nearing the finish line, it's Winking Eye. Green Street third goes to Palasig. Then comes the real thing. Beautiful Miss.